All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So blast off. Blast off. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Blast off. Yeah. Blast off. To launch. To take off or start something. To start something. Blast off. I will blast off at 2 p.m. Yeah. Yeah. We will blast off from here soon. We will leave and start soon. It will blast off next year. Yeah. The course will blast off on Monday. Yeah. After this, I will blast off to the gym. I will go and start to go to the gym. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? They want to blast off soon. They want to get going, get leaving soon. Yeah. They won't blast off without it. I can only blast off with enough tea. Tea. How cool is that? Yeah. It is going to blast off now. Now. Yeah, what will? Well, the spaceship will. Everything will. Yeah. I knew they would not blast off so quickly. We have to wait a while before we can blast off. Because, well, I have some videos to record and things to read. Yes, well, things to record, read, and organize. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm preparing to blast off. So in a few weeks, I'm going to blast off to a mountain. But I need to prepare now. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? They have decided that blast off should be tomorrow. Yeah, so they have delayed their blast off for tomorrow. Yeah, they will leave tomorrow instead. Yeah, I will blast off early in the morning because I will have a long day of walking. Yeah. Whoo! How cool is that? So blast off. Whoosh. To launch, take off and start something. I will soon blast off and record more lessons. Yeah, I have loads of lessons to record. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use blast off in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, and looking for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.